Fantastic opportunity to create your own private paradise in beautiful Greenbank. 2 parcels available. Build your dream home on the 8+ acre piece, install a shared well, and then build a guest house, rental, or auto on the 1 acre piece. Your choice? Endless possibilities. Enjoy the peace and quiet of rural living and be just 7 minutes from Freeland or 15 minutes from Coupeville. Just 1.5 hours from Seattle or Bellingham to be in a wooded paradise. Close to Meerkerk Gardens, Greenbank Farm, South Whidbey State Park, Trillium Community Forest, and the Greenbank off-leash area. The next-door 8.3 acre parcel is also available, 835 Christenson Road, with a log home lodge and 4 small cabins for an incredible vacation compound for all your guests. Or VRBO? See MLS number 2.